Hello viewers. Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, your trusted space for real-world bike reviews. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a machine that's redefining what it means to ride a maxi-scooter. Yep, we are talking about the brand new 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560. It's sleek, smart, and surprisingly sporty. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First impressions and design. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 TMAX 560, it makes a bold statement. Yamaha has sharpened the styling even further this year. The aggressive front end, angular bodywork, and signature LED lighting all scream premium. It's hard to even call this a scooter. It looks more like a fusion between a sport bike and a commuter. And with that stealthy matte paint option. Total head turner. Engine and performance. Under the bodywork is the beating heart of the TMAX, a 562 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine that's now €5 plus compliant, but still retains all its punch. Yamaha's worked some ECU magic, resulting in smoother acceleration and slightly better throttle response. Twist the throttle and it pulls confidently, especially in the low to mid-range. Whether you're slicing through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the TMAX feels responsive and refined. Handling and ride quality. Now let's talk about handling, and this is where the TMAX really stands out. Thanks to its aluminum chassis and motorcycle-style suspension, this scooter handles like a dream. Cornering is precise, body roll is minimal, and the weight distribution feels balanced. The ride is smooth, soaking up bumps with ease while keeping the rider connected to the road. For a maxi scooter, it's surprisingly agile and sporty. Tech features and connectivity. Yamaha has loaded the 2025 TMAX with tech. The 7-inch full-color TFT display is a highlight, now with improved visibility and better smartphone integration through Yamaha's MyRide app. You've got navigation, phone call notifications, and even music control all at your fingertips. Other standout features include keyless ignition, cruise control, heated grips, and a heated seat, making it perfect for year-round riding. Comfort and practicality. Comfort-wise, the TMAX continues to deliver. The riding position is natural, with a plush seat and roomy floorboards that accommodate taller riders too. The adjustable windscreen adds wind protection at high speeds, while under-seat storage fits a full-face helmet and then some. Add in the glove compartment with USB charging, and this scooter becomes an everyday luxury. Brakes and safety. Braking is handled by dual front discs with radial calipers and a single rear disc, supported by ABS. The system is strong and progressive, offering great confidence in both dry and wet conditions. Yamaha's traction control system is also on board, giving you that extra layer of safety when riding in unpredictable environments. Fuel economy and maintenance. For a 560 cubic centimeters machine, the TMAX is surprisingly efficient. Expect around 45 to 50 miles per gallon, depending on how aggressive you ride. And being a Yamaha, reliability is a given. The intervals are rider-friendly, and the overall build quality suggests this scooter is built to go the distance with minimal fuss. Who is the TMAX for? If you're thinking the TMAX is just for city dwellers, think again. This scooter is perfect for urban commuters, weekend tourers, and even former sport bike riders looking for comfort without sacrificing performance. It's a legit alternative to traditional motorcycles, especially for those who want convenience with a sporty edge. Price and value. The 2025 TMAX 560 isn't cheap, but it delivers value for every dollar. With premium components, advanced tech, and Yamaha's legendary reliability, it justifies its price tag. It's not your average scooter, it's in a class of its own, bridging performance and practicality like no other. So, is the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560 worth it? Absolutely. Yamaha has managed to refine an already great machine, making it sharper, smarter, and more versatile than ever. If you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and feature-packed scooter that rides like a motorcycle, the TMAX 560 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for riding along with us today on Bike Review Hub. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Is the TMAX the future of urban riding? Or are you sticking with a more traditional ride? Let us know. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart.